Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Stacey at Mother Naked. Please follow me on Instagram if you want to. It's at Mother Naked Living. And please click the subscribe button if you want to subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much. So today I'm going to be talking about candle tunneling and how to fix it. Candle tunneling looks ugly and it just makes you feel crap because you've created this beautiful candle, you light it, the fragrance is on point, which is even more annoying, and then candle tunneling. For those who don't know what this is, candle tunneling is when you light a candle and the wax it burns right down the middle and you've got all this wax on the sides and it's crap and you're not using hardly any of the candle. It's incredibly wasteful. It also means that your candle is off with scent throw and it means it's off with burn time. And if you're using a wood wick, it also can potentially mean that your candle is going to get drowned out. Most unfortunate part of candle tunneling is it could happen to a £95 candle or a £3 candle. It doesn't actually matter about the price or the fragrance or the cost of your candle. But I do have a few ways to stop this happening from your beautiful candles. Number one, probably my most kind of important tip is the first burn. When you burn your candle for the first time, make sure you're not going out because that candle needs to burn for at least an hour or at least till you've got 1 centimetre of wax before you even think of blowing it out. To be honest, I just have a rule that the melted wax has to reach the edge of the glass before I blow it out. Because what happens is your candle will actually kind of have a memory ring. So the second time you light it, it will go back to that. So if it's not at the edge of your glass, what's it gonna do? Don't. But most of the time, it is your wick. It's too short for the glass that you've put it in. I recommend for a 300ml glass jar that you use the largest wicks. Gradually go down, so 200ml, I'd still use, if it's 230, 250, I'd still use a large wick. Going down from 200, maybe a medium wick. Just experiment with that, but for me, I'd still use a large wick, just to be safe. Side note, if you're a customer with candle tunneling, I recommend putting it in a hurricane glass or something like this. The extra heat will help it kind of melt away. Failing that, a hairdresser I was going to say, but a hairdryer is your best bet to get that memory circle big enough so that you can blow it out and start again. I've also seen people cover the sides of their candle with like foil, so whatever works, right? 4, it could also mean that you have over-fragranced your candle. Some fragrance oils are really thick, so they can help drown your wick out. So if you've tried replacing the wick, I'd just drop the percentage of your fragrance oil a little bit and hopefully that will help. 5, you could also do a multi-wick. Now that completely solves the problem because the more wicks, the more chance of burning equally in your candle. But just be also careful and factor in the thing of more wicks means kind of a faster burn time. Candles are high maintenance, man, until you find what works for you. There's no just like one right way of making a candle. It's completely creative and personal to you. I do actually believe that because my candle will be completely different to someone else's brilliant candle. So it's just a personal thing. Just keep testing and trying things. Also be mindful of the fact if you've got a wide glass, and only 1 wick, it's kind of a recipe for tunneling. So just make sure if yours is that, just make sure you've got a large wick and just work from there really. Add wicks, drop your fragrance. One thing will work. There's no failing in working out what's best for your products. It's taken me ages to know exactly what I like my candles to look like and smell like and be like. So I know it can get a little bit disheartening when things go wrong. Just keep trying, keep testing. And above all, be patient, but you'll do it. So thanks for listening, guys. Please like this video if you've liked it and don't forget to subscribe. Mwah!